Hello guys, my name's Jordan and my YouTube channel is Tools4Sparks, or if you know me from the other channel, it's Artisan Electrics. And today we've got a real special giveaway for you. If you know me from following on my Tools4Sparks Instagram page, you will know that through the whole of February we've been running an amazing giveaway thanks to some very generous sponsors. And I'm going to be announcing the winner of that giveaway in this video. Stay tuned right to the end of the video though, because there's going to be something special, an extra bonus giveaway for you to participate in that I think you're really going to like. So in this video I'm going to run through all the products as part of the giveaway, show you what they are, and I'm going to talk to you also about a little bit about what I do and my other channel, Artisan Electrics. So this channel, Tools4Sparks, is a little bit of a side project for me. My main channel is Artisan Electrics, and that's the name of my electrical business that you can see here on my t-shirt. I'm an electrician by trade and I post videos regularly of the life of an electrician, some of the things that I get up to on a day-to-day basis, a bit of a vlog you might call it, and I've got over 8,500 subscribers over on my Artisan Electrics channel, where I post videos about my day-to-day life, some of the electrical jobs that I like to do. For example, I do a lot of electric vehicle charging jobs. So if you go over to my channel there, you can watch some videos about how I go about installation of different electric vehicle charging points. Also over on Artisan Electrics, I've got some videos which have kind of blown up a bit. For example, there's one of me changing a consumer unit, and that one's got over 60,000 views, and there's one of me doing an electrical installation condition report as well, which has got about 60,000 views. So if you're interested in the day-to-day life of an electrician, head over to my Artisan Electrics YouTube channel, link at the end of this video and also in the description, and make sure you subscribe to me there because I post videos there every week. But this channel is all about tools, which I know most of you, that's why you're here, you love tools. And for a lot of you, you are electricians, so this channel is perfect for you, Tools4Sparks. And I post regular videos here all about the kind of tools that I love and use on a day-to-day basis. So for example, in the last few weeks I posted a video about my favourite wire cutters and strippers, where I go through some of the day-to-day tools that I use for stripping and cutting wires. I did another one recently about some amazing Armeg metal hole saws, and you can see that video as well after this one. I think you'll enjoy it. And there's also some videos where I unload my tool bag and show you all the tools that I have on a day-to-day basis and that I really like to use. And what's great about this channel is that I receive a lot of feedback from other electricians and tradesmen who say to me, hey, you've got to check out this tool, it's really amazing. And then if I like the look of it, I'll go and check it out, and if I like it, I'll buy it and I'll do a review of it on this channel. So if you've got a tool that you absolutely love that you think I've not got yet and I really need to get, send me a message on Instagram or over on Twitter, both at Tools4Sparks, and I read all the messages and I try to reply to them as much as I can, and if I like the look of the tool, I'll check it out and I'll post a review video about it. So anyway, what are we giving away today in this amazing giveaway, and who is the winner of this giveaway? Let's get into it. So you can see behind me here some of the items that we'll be giving away, and there's another one below here. So I'm going to start with the biggest first. This is from Metabo, and a great thanks to them who donated this for free for the giveaway. So I'm going to open this up and show you what's inside. This is a Metabo twin set. So you've got in here, it's the ASC3036, which is the chargers, and then you've got the PowerMax SSD12 and SSD12BL. So this is basically an impact driver. They're both impact drivers in fact, but they're slightly different. So this has got 2 amp hour battery, it's 12 volt, super powerful. It's got forward and reverse on it, and you've got a quick release chuck on there where you can put your 1/4 inch bits. This one, slightly smaller, So this is the SSD12 and then this is the BS12. Slightly different. This is more designed for drilling, so you can see it's quite slow. So this is really your impact driver, and this is slower, and you've got variable speed on this. So this is more for drilling, like for metal and stuff. You've got a torque chuck there, and then you've got your variable speed. So you've got fast speed and slow speed on there, forward and reverse, and the batteries, they just slide out like that, and you've got a fast charger there to charge the batteries up with. So amazing little set, and a massive thanks to Metabo for giving away this set. Somebody is going to really appreciate it. So that's the Metabo set. What else is there? Hager. Hager have very kindly donated this screwdriver set. Now if you follow me on Artisan Electrics channel, you may be one of the people who is messaging me, and I get a lot of messages like this saying, where do you get those blue screwdrivers? I have to have those blue screwdrivers. Well, I've got news for you. You can't buy the blue screwdrivers. They're only available from Hager if you win their competition. So you can get them in this giveaway, which I'm about to do, but you can also get them, if you don't win today, by doing a consumer unit change and posting a picture of it with the hashtag HagerGang, right? Hashtag HagerGang. They do weekly, monthly and yearly giveaways, and I have won sets of these screwdrivers in the past because I've won the HagerGang Installer of the Month, and I think I might have won Installer of the Year last year, actually. I can't remember off the top of my head, but I've got a couple of sets of these that I've won, and I do use them. They're excellent quality screwdrivers. They're actually made by, let me just remember who they're actually made. Oh, Weha, yeah. So you know Weha products are great. You know, Weha screwdrivers are great. They're made by Weha, but they're special edition, and you can't buy them anywhere. You can only win them from Hager. So thanks to Hager, somebody's going to win a massive, great prize here. Also, we've got this cable stripper by Hager. It's one of those rotary cable strippers that you can use to strip various different types of cables, and you've got little wire strippers there as well. That's a great little tool. And a beanie hat, of course, which at this time of year is very handy. So thanks to Hager for giving us those prizes. Unilight. Unless you've been living under a rock for the last 2 years, you will probably have come across these. Unilight have a massive following over on Instagram, and they make these amazing work lights. They sent me a load of stuff earlier on in the year, well last year it was, and I did a massive Unilight giveaway, and they've sent me this one for the giveaway as well. These are so bright, it's unbelievable. In fact, I've got my own personal one here. I'm just going to show you. Look how bright that is, right? This is the SLR 1000, and it's 1000 lumens. Super bright. I mean, it's almost blindingly bright, but it's just perfect for working. And what you've got is magnets on the back. You've got this folding stand, so it's easy to stand up. You've got different brightnesses as well. You can lower the brightness down slightly, and you can also, if you press and hold it, it's got a torch on the end there as well, so that's quite handy. I have made a separate video about these with all the features anyway. I'll put a link in the description to that. But this is an amazing work light, and this is a lifesaver for me now. I use this on an almost daily basis. It's got USB-C charging as well, so it's super easy to charge up overnight. So this is a great prize, and that has been kindly donated by Unilight. Thank you. What else is there? So last, but by no means least, Leatherman. Do you know Leatherman? I have known Leatherman for about 10 years now, and I have one of their Leatherman Spark multi-tools, which is amazing. They have a lifetime guarantee on all of their products, and they literally, anything goes wrong with it, you just send it back, they'll send you a brand new one, or they'll repair it for you. It's really, they provide amazing quality products. And this little thing is a fantastic little piece of kit. So this is a Leatherman Micro. So it's one of the smallest multi-tools that they do. And it can just literally clip onto a key ring or something like that. You've got a pair of scissors there. You've got various things like tweezers, a little screwdriver, and you've got like a sort of a toothpick type thing, a bottle opener. You've got a knife, obviously, which is really important, nail file, bigger flat screwdriver. So there is pretty much everything you might need on a day-to-day basis, and these things are just super nice quality. They're stainless steel, last for ages, and as I said, lifetime guarantee, I believe, on all Leatherman products. So thank you, Leatherman, for giving away this great little tool. So now for the big question: who is the winner of this giveaway? Well, the instructions were that you needed to go on to my Tools4Sparks post. You needed to leave a comment under that post for the giveaway and tag 2 friends in the giveaway. You needed to go through and follow all of the different manufacturers on here. Follow myself at Tools4Sparks, obviously, and you needed to go over to my YouTube channel, Tools4Sparks, and subscribe to the channel. So out of the over 1,000 people who've commented and things like that, not everyone did all of those steps. Oh, you needed to post it on your story as well. Not everyone did all of those steps, but of the ones who did, who fulfilled all of the requirements, I've carefully selected one winner. And the winner is Black Wolverine. That is the name of our winner over on Instagram. So Black Wolverine, whatever your real name is, congratulations. I'm really happy for you. You have won these excellent prizes. I'm going to box them all up tomorrow for you. Tomorrow's Monday, so they should be with you Tuesday, Wednesday, I should think. I just need to get your details, so if you can message me on Instagram, I'll send you a message to let you know you've won anyway. But message me your address, and I'll throw in there an Artisan Electric sticker as well. And if any of you who didn't win, if you'd like a sticker, send me a message and I'll send you a sticker just for a runner-up prize. I'll send you one over in the post. Now, I said that if you stay to the end of this video, there's going to be an extra bonus giveaway, so that's what I want to talk to you about now. So if you have seen some of my other videos, you might have seen it already, but if not, I'll leave a link up here. There was another giveaway that I did a few months ago that is still running, and it's kind of hiding in the background. It sort of got a lot of attention and then it faded away, and the reason is that this giveaway, to be triggered, to be finalised, it needs the video to have 1,000 likes on it, and it's not got to 1,000 likes yet. So you have got a chance to win this. Let me show you. This is a Vito Pro Pack Tech XL tool bag. These are the highest quality tool bags out there as far as I'm concerned. This is my personal one that I used for a few weeks, and then I found that it was just a little bit too big for me, so I went down to the Tech MCT. But this is an amazing tool bag, and so if you go over to that video, I'll leave a link in the description as well. Just watch the video, leave a comment with why you'd like to win this Vito Pro Pack tool bag, and hit a thumbs up and share it out with as many people as you can. Then you'll be in a chance to win this amazing tool bag, which is about 200 quid's worth of tool bag. It's really an amazing bit of kit. I'll show you briefly inside. You've probably seen Vito Pro Pack tool bags before, unless you've been living under a rock somewhere. These are amazing bits of kit. Loads of pockets, and the idea is that it helps you to keep your tools super neat and organised. I've got a video where I show you my Tech MCT as well. I do a loadout and I show you how all my tools are organised. You will get to see that, again, link in the description for that video. But these are, needless to say, amazing quality tool bags, and I'd love for one of you to get your hands on this. It's just sitting around waiting for that video to hit 1,000 likes, so all you've got to do is share it out there to as many people as you can, get other people to watch it and hit a thumbs up, and once it hits 1,000 likes, one of you is going to win this amazing tool bag. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate all the support on this Tools4Sparks YouTube channel, and all the growth that's happened on my Instagram page recently because of this giveaway. Thank you to all my new subscribers and viewers. I will be posting regular videos here, so if you haven't done so already, do subscribe to the channel. You'll get regular video updates from me. If you hit the notification bell, you'll be notified as soon as a new video comes out. And go over to my other channel, Artisan Electrics, where you'll find regular video updates from me all about my life as an electrician. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.